Hi there, Scorpio. It's Maria from the Tarot Shop, and this is your June reading. During this reading, I'm going to take one oracle card from you, one oracle card for you, and some tarot cards to give you a flavour or a message for the month ahead. The month ahead. I've got a slight cold, sorry. Okay, so let's begin June, and we're going to take one oracle card for Scorpio. There we go, straight away jumped out the pack. Take action. Oh my goodness me. We're very decisive to start with. There you go. This is from the Oracle deck, The Wisdom of Hafiz. I'm finding them really gorgeous to work with right now. Okay, we want to take some cards for Scorpio for the month of June. Please remember that this is a reading for the collective. If this doesn't resonate for you, then also check out your moon and or your rising signs. You may find there's a message for you. It should just resonate. If it doesn't, then, you know, have a look at the moon or the rising. Okay. Scorpio, June. Let's have you. Okay. We'll put the cards to one side. Okay, what do we have in store for you? Okay. Right. At the very beginning of the month, so even we've had take action, I think this is possibly going to come in here. Because let me see what's coming through here. The readings are quite intuitive this month, as opposed to normally I just read the cards. Well, I suppose I use intuition as well, but so for the month of June, it feels as if finances are plodding and you don't really know, like, you see this card here, there's like too much to choose from. There's like choice here. There's a decision that needs to be made, but you're not quite sure which one to take. So finances are plodding. There's no like massive movement here at the beginning of the month because it feels as if it's because you're not sure what action to take, which is interesting because then you had the take action card. So let's hope that the next part of the reading clarifies that for you. So you're kind of stuck. There's not much movement. Look, it's not a frightening card. There's nothing wrong. It's just that it's not moving forward. And then you have to make a decision. So maybe you're being asked to make a financial decision. You're going to make a decision anyway. So you make a decision, or you're presented with choices. I don't feel that that's related to the rest of the reading. So just bear that to one side. There is something that's coming at the beginning of the month that's going to give you a choice or an option. Lots of them. So you're not quite sure what to do. You may ponder in that energy for a little while. There is also together a family gathering. Your month is a bit all over the place, actually. So it's not quite reading as a flowing story. It's about the fact that there's lots of stuff going on. There's also a gathering here. This is a social gathering. It is a party, a meal, the gathering of people, and there's glasses being raised. So it's a celebration. It's a engagement, wedding, celebration, some sort of family gathering, or friends that you consider to be family. There's a celebration there. I do think, and the cards are suggesting to me, that whatever it is that's being celebrated, you feel that you've lost out on this. So there's a little bit of envy here around, actually, that could have been me, that kind of energy. Look, when you have the Ten of Swords, it tells me that you think that a situation this feels like it's something that you've not quite come to terms with regard. It feels like it's like a love thing, you know? So basically, you've got these choices. There is a celebration. Maybe somebody that you care about is getting engaged or married, or there's a baby on the scene, and you think, oh, you know, that could have been me. I wish that was me. There's that energy there. The 10 says that, you know, actually it's completed now. So look, you think it's over for you, but it's not, because after 10s, we start again. Okay? And we move forward, and we move forward into a period of time where you are going to be looking for justice. So you're looking for what's right for you, what's in it for me. This is about you finding your right path. So it's a bit of a mixed month, because you're really not sure what direction to go in emotionally. Okay. It feels like you've had lots of things. I mean, yeah, you're okay. There's not much moving from a practical point of view. I think you're quite settled, but this is about an emotional thing. And it's because you think, you know, that it's not for you, but it is, because now you're going to, at the end of the month, you're going to decide to start taking a movement forward, because you're going to take action. Okay. You're not going to be sitting and in the past, thinking about the past, or you're moving forward. It does feel that this is very much you know, you need to move forward, take action and move forward, because you're going to start looking for justice. And that's not justice as in legal. That's right. Okay, well, what about me? What's in it for me? Where is what's right for me? Where's my happy ever after? Where's the job that I've always dreamed of, and all those sorts of things? And actually, as a result of your desire to find this justice and to have intervention from divine, because that's what will happen. You know, if you make a wish, then you know, that's why I say be careful what you wish for, because you actually are in a process of, the universe is listening to you, knows that you've heard this reading, knows. Your spirit guides know that you're here. They know you're listening to this. And if this resonates with you, then this is for you. And they're saying, right, okay, as a result of this, you decide to do more. So you take on more responsibility. You actually decide to change things around a bit. So you're taking on more activity, more action moving into your future, rather than you're being much more decisive, but you're taking on a lot of responsibility and taking on more things to get what it is that you want out of life. I hope that makes sense to you. It's a very positive month. It's just very bitty, and it's about progression. This feels as if this is you moving forward into your future. This feels as if you're releasing things from the past. And maybe this celebration is, you know, it's kind of like the trigger for you. It's the moving forward that you really needed to do. Okay, so I hope that makes sense to you, and I hope that you've enjoyed the reading, and thank you very much for your time.